I've been wanting to draw Spider-Man with alcohol markers for a while. So today I'm finally giving it a try, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this one. Before I start adding the colors, I wanted to get all the details of the suit and web pattern in place. I used a fine liner for the outline because I wanted those clean, sharp lines to stay visible after adding all the marker layers. For the skin, I'm starting with lighter tones and gradually building the shadows. With alcohol markers, I really like layering the colors because it gives me much more control over how dark I want the final result to be. Now I am building up the red and blue parts of the suit. Instead of using just one shade everywhere, I am layering different tones to create bright areas. At this stage, the colors are mostly done, but I feel like the drawing needed a little more contrast. So I am going back into the darkest areas and strengthening the shadows. I'm really happy with how this one turned out, especially the way the colors and shadows came together.